In case you're not sure whether you need a wok or a frying pan, I will briefly explain the key differences between the two cookware to help you decide what you need. While a typical frying pan boasts better heat retention, a wok is superior when it comes to heat distribution. Thanks to its concave shape and its perfect sloping sides, a wok will have fewer hot-cold spots. A frying pan also has sloped sides, but is not as shallow as a wok. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 carbon steel woks on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Craftwalk Traditional Hand-Hammered Carbon Steel Wok. Don't be fooled by this wok's unassuming look. It's arguably one of the best carbon steel woks there is. And don't be concerned about whether carbon steel kitchenware is safe to use, this one is a good choice. Made from commercial-grade carbon steel, this wok boasts outstanding durability. Hand-hammered by professionals in China, the product can guarantee restaurant-grade quality. Furthermore, this carbon steel wok from Craftwalk also boasts an ergonomic wooden handle that can provide you with a secure and non-slip grip. The helper handle that comes with the wok is designed not to burn, even when exposed to high heat. What's more, the product's round bottom makes it the best choice for gas stoves, cooktops, and burners. The healthy materials used for producing the wok will also ensure that no harmful chemicals will leach into your food during cooking. Key features: non-slip wooden handle, hand-hammered in Guangzhou, China, round bottom, helper handle included. Number 2. Souped-up Recipes Carbon Steel Wok. If you need a carbon steel wok compatible with both induction and gas stoves, I've got just the right product for you. With its flat bottom, the soup-up carbon steel wok can work on induction stoves, electric stoves, gas ranges, and many other heat sources. Implemented with a printed hammered texture, this carbon steel wok is not only gorgeous but also highly practical. As long as you season this pan right, it will boast amazing non-stick ability, thus making it much easier to cook and clean with this fantastic wok. Furthermore, the souped-up carbon steel wok also comes with a wooden lip as well as a stainless steel spatula. The high-quality carbon steel material of this cookware can also ensure a quick and even heat distribution. Key features: compatible with virtually all heat sources, comes with a wooden lid and a stainless steel spatula, printed hammered texture. Number 3. Ecolution Non-Stick Carbon Steel Wok. Tired of sticky wok that makes it almost impossible to clean and cook, no matter how many times you've tried to season it? Why not have a look at this fantastic non-stick pan from Ecolution? Thanks to its non-stick PFOA-free coating, cooking and cleaning will be quite a breeze. Thanks to its flat bottom, the Ecolution carbon steel wok can sit securely on various kinds of stovetops, thus giving you more options when it comes to cooking. Furthermore, this product is ideal for several cooking methods, including deep frying, steaming, as well as stir-frying. Key features: PFOA-free, non-stick coating, even heat distribution, ideal for various kinds of stoves. Number 4. KYTD Non-Stick Carbon Steel Wok. If you prefer a carbon steel wok with a lid, you can consider getting this product from KYTD. Arriving with a glass lid to make it easier for you to monitor the cooking process, the KYTD carbon steel wok will ensure that you can cook without getting burned from boiling water and oil. Boasting a detailed design, this high-quality carbon steel wok boasts a heavy and sturdy body, ensuring that the cookware can last with time and heavy-duty use. Furthermore, it comes with a securely riveted handle, which is designed to provide a comfortable and non-slip grip. That's not all. This cookware is guaranteed to be free of toxic substances. Additionally, it will not oxidize with time and use. You will notice that this iron pan will barely experience any dissolution during the process of cooking. Key features: glass lid, suitable for heavy-duty use, riveted handle, will not oxidize. Number 5. Helens Asian Kitchen Carbon Steel Wok. Do you usually cook a large volume of food at a time? Do you need a wok with 2 strong handles so that you can easily maneuver the wok as you cook and serve food? If that is the case, I think you should consider getting the Helens Asian Kitchen Carbon Steel Wok. Made from 1.8mm carbon steel, this wok from Helens Asian Kitchen is ideal for various cooking methods such as stir-frying, steaming, braising, sautéing, frying, and deep frying. Preparing your favorite Asian recipes will be a breeze with this fantastic pan. Equipped with two securely riveted, heat-resistant bamboo handles, this carbon steel wok will ensure that you can effortlessly carry it even when it's full of food. Furthermore, its flat bottom design allows the wok to sit securely on virtually all surfaces. Key features: riveted bamboo handles, even heat distribution, flat bottom design, compatible with any stovetops. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.